Okay, now this is the same ASUS motherboard that the load test was done on with 83 programs. The load done at first with 83 programs was only 2.5 spins, and you won't get that with Windows configuration. With Secure Administrator, you can get that speed and that accuracy, which is what you don't have, which is not offered by Microsoft. So let's get ready to start up the same ASUS motherboard with a 3.40 processor and 16 gigabytes of RAM with no load. This is the same exact computer on the same HDD. This is not an SSD or an M.2. This is a regular start with Secure Administrator. This is not a solid state drive. This is an HDD. This is not an M.2, and this is not an SSD. This is not a solid state drive. And that is what you get with the Secure Administrator configuration as far as a load with no apps or programs. This is zero load. This particular configuration doesn't have a browser, so we won't be going through the actual browsing, but we still have the menu to go through. Okay, now with this particular build, we're going to go ahead and run through a few things. And that is pretty much it without a browser. Now we're going to shut it off. This is the Secure Administrator with no load. There's nothing on the system as we started with. And there you have it. Once you turn it off, it is off. There's no waiting, there's no spins, just maybe a half a spin, and that's it. And maybe we would like to run through this just one more time. Here's the start. And there you have it, Secure Administrator on the ASUS motherboard. And that is the actual start. So you don't have any load on this particular Secure Administrator. you will get the same results repeatedly. And as you add a load, you won't lose major performance due to subsidiary wear, due to surveyware, due to anything that you may find in Microsoft configuration. This is completely different. So when you think of the Microsoft configuration, remember, it cannot compete with secure administrator configuration. This kind of configuration Microsoft will never, ever, ever offer to the businesses of the U.S. or anywhere, because this configuration supersedes everything that Microsoft can put out. Now, let's see. And we'll go and we'll turn it off one more time, and we'll look at a shutdown. Done. Shutdown. There you have it. For this particular load test, this is only on it's an older computer. It's an older ASUS motherboard. And there you have it. Secure Administrator sums it up, and it is the absolute best.